show you today is how to put on our stainless steel inner fender covers. Very simple, no drilling or anything required. What you're going to do is remove this back gasket right about halfway. So you kind of just pull this back. You're going to pull this grommet back to this part. And what you're going to need to do is prep this surface right in here. This is 5900. You're just going to wipe this down. Make sure the surface is dry. This is promoter. I'm going to wipe this on the surface once the surface is prepped. You've been provided a little Velcro cookie. What you're going to do is put that right where I'm wiping. This is alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Once that dries, you're going to come back in and wipe it with promoter. What we're going to do here is put a little cookie, Velcro cookie here. You go ahead and stick the other half of it on there. Your part is going to come to you with this piece of Velcro on it. What you're going to need to do is just pull the tape off. This is very simple to go in. All you have to do is line this back edge up. It should be cut just to match this edge. Go all the way to the side and go ahead and just stick it. Doing is making this piece removable. So if you do want to get it in there, and then the next step is to pretty much just put the gasket back on. And the gasket will hold this in place and keep this from rattling around. And then when the hood comes down, it actually touches and makes it nice and tight so you don't hear any rattling. And then that's how you install it. It's pretty simple.